But before that, can you all please stand up?
Miss, can you tell us
Okay,
the
ma'am.
rules?
Very nice. I can see a lot of students standing up. Very nice. Can you all please raise both of your hands up? Come on,
Miss, can
everybody.
you tell us
Both of your hands up.
I can't. I can only raise one hand up because I am holding my camera.
Okay.
Okay, one.
Okay. One hand down, everybody. Sit down. Both of your hands down. Both of your hands up. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Can you all please stand up? Can you all please stand up again?
Can I show you something?
No, you have to wait. Okay. Now stand up with your hands down. You all are supposed to follow the steps. Okay. I'm watching all of you. Okay. You all are
Wait for
supposed
me.
to participate.
I have did this.
Okay. Just wait for a minute.
Miss, I'm eating my fruit. Miss,
Okay. Here we go, everybody.
I'm eating my fruit.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. Shake your sillies out from the award-winning CD, Kids Country Song and Dance by the Learning Station.
Come on, everybody. Shake your sillies out. Can you clap? Very nice. Can you clap? Very nice. Can you jump? Very nice. Can you all jump? Can you jog? Can you tell me how do you jog? Jog. Okay, how do you stretch? How do you stretch? Very nice. Yes, how do you yawn? How do you yawn? Very nice. Very nice, everybody. Good going. Yes, can you shake your sillies? How do you shake it? Very nice. Yes, can you clap? Yes, very nice.
Teacher? Miss, can you put
Very
another
nice,
song?
everybody.
This song
Can you show me how do you wiggle? Can you show me how do you wiggle? Yes, how do you wiggle, everybody? Very nice, Ahmed Abduli. Very nice, everybody. Very nice. It was a good session. Clap for yourself. It was very good.
Miss, I'm eating my fruit.
Very nice. Okay.